Wow. Do you ever want a cookie, but you can't but you're on a diet, so you don't want to get all that fat? Here's how you make a diet cookie. So, first up, we will be making the diet cookie. First up, add in some flour because you know it's gonna be healthy. Just add in 1 scoop of flour. You want the flour to bake for the yeast to rise. Add in some flour. You would normally use butter or oil. But we are not doing the correct thing. Don't do that. So we just spilled. That is all alright. Now add in some. It will not taste like rubbish. Yeah, well, now add in some egg whites instead of the butter or oil. Light protein. Yep. Protein. Wait, let me smooth it out, because the smoother it is, the nicer you smell it makes it okay. And they smell okay. I am adding it. Let's see. It looks perfect. Stop mixing. And now you mix to combine the materials. Oh my gosh, it's actually making something. Making a cookie. Yeah. Wow, look. And now we will mold it into bread. Hold on. First, it's not sticking enough, so we need another consistency. Yeah. So now we will add the thing. Protein is something you really need in every day, so we will add some protein. It's also vegan protein powder, and it says it tastes like vanilla, so we're making vanilla. So if you're vegan, teacher, even you can eat this. Even though this like whites. Yeah. Yeah. No one cares. This is what it looks like if you've never saw it. It doesn't smell good. We need in some more liquids. So what are we going to do for more liquids? Water, because 0 calories, no alcohol. Yeah, so add in some. We're going to do Oh my gosh, even water's vegan. That vegan teacher should try these cookies. Edit that out.
Yeah, that was kind of cringe. Okay.
We need some more flour. Oh my gosh, this is looking great. We just need to add in some flour. More flour, because the consistency isn't good enough. Wow, it's so smooth. You guys now need to call us Gordon Ramsay. We can make better than Gordon Ramsay. These look so good. Call us the dream of cooking. Because we are dream. So now guys, now that you have this yummy cookie, now we need to put it on a baking sheet. And first we will have to mold it into a cookie consistency. So take your, I feel like Gordon Ramsay. Just the way those cookies look. Can you please show them those? And stay tuned for the next video where we will be doing experiments on these normal jawbreakers. We're gonna soak them in like vinegar for overnight and stuff like that, and like put them in like boiling hot water and like put them in like salt water and we're gonna try to break them up so they get so small. So stay tuned for the next video. But this video isn't done yet because the cookies aren't It's called aluminum. Can everyone say that, please? Aluminum. For them. So now we have to cook it. And the funny point is there's no eggs. In every recipe, there should be eggs. But there's no eggs. We should say this to that vegan teacher. Man, this is really vegan. So,
How's it vegan?
we use egg whites. Yeah. It is no eggs.
Okay.
We totally...
There's an egg in this. It's not vegan. There's an egg in the
Come
filling.
be quiet. No one cares. And now, go and see. No, nothing. Like nothing. I don't know. And now spray it all down so it doesn't stick. It can be quite annoying sometimes when stuff sticks. You might be saying that's a lot. I know it is. And it should be a lot because this will not come off. Let it sit for a little bit. Maybe like until you can't see any yellow. And you might be saying, that's like a ton, like not even good for you. Does it look like I care? No, I don't. And it looks like butter. Well, guess what? This is 0 calorie, 0 fat, 0 sodium.
Dude, doesn't it feel with calories or something?
Yeah.
Wait, let's see how.
No, the spray. The spray doesn't.
Where's the calories?
And now you have a beautiful cookie. Look at that nice cookie. And you might be saying, well, I want chocolate chips on it. Let's look what's healthy.
No one's gonna eat it. Who cares if there's chocolate chips on it?
And look at them. We need a birthday candle. Hold on. A birthday candle. You want that birthday candle? Wait, put a birthday candle on it. Oh.
Wow.
Don't add cheese. Vegan teacher, please don't yell inside. Don't add cheese. It's a cookie.
Cheese can make your muscles strong.
No, actually. Master Chef, the oven's not even on. Is that designed?
Yeah, sounds
That's for this, you goose. Why are we still angry? I really like you do not know what you're
baking
doing.
it.
We're baking this. Oh my
What
gosh.
do you think we're doing? Cooking it on the spit?
Yes, I used
air
that
frying
wood.
it. We should air fry it. His name's Captain Crunch. We're air frying it. And now, why don't we add some nice apple sauce? Oh, that look! It looks so good. It looks so good. Ow! Now let's take my hands. You don't take. I feel like you're taking an actual action photo of me.
Oh, it's too.
Okay. So
Darn it.
now we need to bake this. Cameraman, please cut this out while we're baking.
Okay. Wait, should I have cut? Because I'm not cutting. We're recording all of this right now.
Yeah,
I'm recording your eye.
Don't cut.
I'm gonna bake it.
So should we cut? Should we cut? Cringe. Should we cut?
No, we have to make time fly. Please don't comments. Don't. I don't know how to floss. I don't play Fortnite.
Fortnite. No, sorry.
We're cooking the cookie in.
Yeah, he just ran away.
Okay, and now you might want to be asking what we're gonna do. Put chocolate on it. And guys, should we start soaking them? Oh yeah, we have to soak these overnight. We're gonna soak these overnight.
Water.
No, we need to do vinegar or salt water. Vinegar salty water. Yes. Big brain. That's what you come up with when you have mind. Yep. These we experimented on these jawbreakers, and we will do experiments. We will soak them overnight in salty sniffing it. Oh, yep, that's definitely vinegar. That's vinegar.
See,
Nice,
Mommy,
nice.
even you
Hold
can
on,
smell
hold
it.
on, hold on. And now we
Okay.
need to saltify it.
Delight.
Yeah.
Yes. Hey, get sprinkles. Sprinkle. Look at the blue thing. No, no.
Clearly vinegar.
Cinnamon. Ew.
If you wanted to put that as vinegar,
We're
we.
eating this. We're not even eating this.
If you wanted to put that as vinegar, you could do a reaction.
No.
Okay.
Vinegar's too bad.
Okay.
Kim Mommy just wants us to get extra.
This is what.
Oh yeah, of course I would like that.
Stop.
Cringe.
Are we eating this?
No.
We're just doing experiments on it, and then we're gonna electrify it. It's gonna be Frankenstein. We dream at cooking. I'm dreaming in the kitchen. I'm not Gordon Ramsay, but I'm close. Is this good? No. I don't know. It's good.
Look at that soy bro. For the views.
I just did an epic thing of myself. Dream in the kitchen a lot. Gordon Ramsay, but I'm close. Ooh,
How are you close to Gordon Ramsay?
what do you mean?
And now we need to add in some spices. Garlic. That's not it. Then we add in some salsa. Who gave us this idea? Ourselves.
I'm confused on what we're even doing.
Montreal steak seasoning.
What are we even doing? Why is this a thing?
I don't know.
Why are we making this?
Hey, move.
Oh, besides with the idea of wasting food. Here's how. Ew.
And now we're adding in. Wait, how?
How's this gonna tune into a cookie?
It won't.
What?
Oh no, it will. It's just time.
How's-
And we will be eating that.
Oh no.
Yeah, I'm like, do you know who? Yeah. Hey, do you know who gave us this idea?
Who gave us this idea? You like the splash? The cringe
I
splash.
gave us
Cringe.
both of these ideas. No. Do you know who gave us this idea?
Cringe splash, yeah? Cringe.
His, I think it's burrito. No. It's something. It's something from Luca.
Oh, you don't get to joke him on me because you never watched Luca.
I don't know.
Actually, we're gonna do a refrigerator.
Well, it's basically your mind. That's what the name was. His mind, so his mind.
Expect this to not be a video because our dad will probably take it out and be like, what the flip is this? Okay, so expect this not to be a video. Put it in the fridge and then, yeah. There's gonna be a part 2 when this is done. Yep. I think it's done. It's sizzling. Ooh, that's not a good sign.
It's gonna burn.
Yeah. Take it out. Take it out. It's still raw.
Oh, it's still raw. That's the point. It's not cooking well. Maybe you want to tinker with some of the settings to make it harder. Yeah, do it. You gotta make it harder. Oh my God, why is this on toast? It's like smoking through the thing. Oh my God.
Why didn't you just take it out in the
Gosh,
first
some mom action. Yeah, let's go. Gosh darn it. Not again. Everyone say, ew.
I already told
Oh
you
my
it was
gosh.
cooked. What the
I
heck?
knew that was food.
Yeah, what's the upset? Let that rest for about
This is why you use eggs.
Dude,
Use enough
why
flour.
are we PewDiePie?
Did you even use? No, you didn't even use flour. I'm guessing. If
Did you
you,
use flour?
like none, I'm guessing. You didn't. Why is it? Oh no. Alright, besides your junk, here's a brownie.
Ooh.
I'm beautiful. I'm actually beautiful.
And now, so don't mind this. Why is no one watching this? If we watch this, we'd get like 1 million views. No, 10 million. Wait, how are we gonna eat it? Not yet. Oh yes, okay. Cameraman, come here. Final result. Flea, don't eat it yet. Why? Let it rest. It's probably burning. Is it too hot? Wait, it's too hot? No, the fire.
Come back to me.
Ow.
Come back to me. Come back to me.
She poured water on it. I didn't get that. Now it's like soggy. This is soggy.
So, can't be any worse.
On a scale of 0 to 10, I would focus on myself to give her a number, but I don't need 0 to give a number. Okay. So besides the fact,
I didn't even taste the protein powder. I mean, I could swallow it.
oh. Ew.
YOLO.
So we made a face. That's already a great sign.
Ah. Corn. I ate a
What does it taste like?
And it tastes like it has. I can't taste anything. It tastes like a raw cookie. I know it tastes flour. Sounds that bad.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Stay tuned for next